everyone, you're watching Cooking with the Brown Chef. Today I'm going to show you how to make a warm chicken salad. You can call honey mustard mayonnaise warm chicken salad. So you can call it either way. You can have it for lunch or dinner as a main meal. It's really nice and yummy and tastier, healthier. So let's see what are the ingredients we need it for. I need 200 gram of chicken breast, 2 tablespoons of mustard seed, 3 tablespoons of honey, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise sauce, and I have some cherry tomato. You can use any tomato as you wish. I'm going to use the half of this onion, and I'm going to use half of this avocado or full of avocado. If you are a lover of avocado, you can use the whole. And I have 3 handful of salad mix. You can use the spinach or you can use the rocket as your choice. So these are the ingredients we need it for. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a little prep now. Let's see how I'm gonna do it. First of all, I'm gonna cut this cherry tomato into half, or you can use as a whole. Then I'm gonna cut this onion into half, cut the top and bottom off. So I'm gonna cut slice. Then I'm gonna get the avocado, and I'm gonna cut into the dice. So I'm gonna get the whole avocado and get the pulp out and cut into the dice as I did before. So these are the avocado dice. Now I'm gonna cut the chicken into the strip. So what I'm gonna take the skin off and then cut them into the strips. Then I'm gonna cut across because I need a nice shape of the chicken. So what I'm gonna do now, so next step, what I'm gonna move into the next step. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook the chicken off. So this pan is hot, oil in, any kind of oil you need, and chicken in. Make sure you put some salt and pepper according to a choice. So you make sure you cook the chicken properly. I'm gonna cook this one until it gets golden brown. So once it's crunchy, it's really nice. While this chicken is cooking up there, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make the dressing. If you follow me on my video channel, how to make honey mustard mayo, you can find it out how to do it. But somehow I'm going to show you how to make the dressing. It's a honey mustard mayo. So I have 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of mustard seed, 1.5 tablespoon of honey. I'm going to use 1.5 tablespoon of honey to cook off the chicken. I have 1 tablespoon of mustard. I'm going to add into the chicken. I'm going to cook with this chicken. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to mix this one. So guys, this is the salad dressing, and now I'm going to focus on the chicken to finish it off the cooking. So it's getting there, it's golden brown, so I want the both sides to be a golden brown. So make sure you cook the chicken properly. So as you see, it's cooking, it's already cooked, the brownish color. Chicken got the brownish color. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the 1 tablespoon of mustard and mix it properly. and then I'm gonna add the rest of the honey. So by doing this, you know, the chicken get the flavors from the honey and the mustard. So cook it for 1 minute, not much longer, because I don't want you to burn the honey and the mustard. As you see, look at the color, the shiny glaze. So that's what I really need. So just cook it for 1 minute. And now I think it's like a 40 seconds. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna mix this one into the salad. I'm gonna leave this chicken for 5 minutes for cooling down, because it's really warm, really hot because of the honey. Otherwise the salad gonna be mashy. So till this cool down, I'm gonna mix this vegetable into the mixed salad. I'm adding onion and the cherry tomato. But before avocado, I mix this one. I'm gonna add my dressing. All of them. The reason I adding avocado at last, I don't want it to get mashy, so I need the great look, so I'm gonna add the avocado at last. Now I'm gonna mix this one with the dressing, tomato and the onion. Now I'm gonna add my chicken and the rest of the avocado. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna mix this one. Oh, look at that, guys, the color. Oh, awesome. So now I'm gonna place this one into my salad bowl. So this is time to serve. So this is how we do the honey mustard mayo chicken salad. So look, guys, it's beautiful and it look healthier. So it's, you know, it's make me really hungry now. So this is gonna be my favorite part. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna taste this one and see how it tastes like. I'm gonna grab a bit of everything. Guys, Wow, guys, it's absolutely beautiful. It's nice, crunchy, chicken is nice. All you need, it's up here. I hope you guys gonna make this one at home and enjoy it. So don't forget to subscribe me, Cooking with the Brown Chef. I'm gonna see you with a different video. Till then, cheers, bye.